Well, I think I did a home repair of the driver's door roll-up window as it had too much slack on the sides. So I bought several sizes, but the size that works is a piece of a basswood that's 3/16 by 3/8, and painted it black. Put a little grease on it. Fits in there snugly, and it runs down the channel on this side all the way to the end. And so let's try it now. See, there it goes down. All the way up. So I don't know if it's exactly perfect, but not bad, considering it wouldn't barely move. You had to wiggle the glass before. So there you go. That's my repair of my window.